Hello, in this video, I want to show you how you can use Google Drive as a cloud storage tool so that you can add large files to a storage location and then link them into your IvyLearn course without having to upload them directly to IvyLearn. The benefit of this is that if you use cloud storage, which is what Google Drive is, you will avoid the 1 GB storage limit inside your IvyLearn shell. So we're going to start on Google Drive. To get here, you can just go to google.com and then select from these Google apps at the top right portion of the screen. Click on that, and then you'll find Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, go ahead and go to the New button in the top left. Select New. Go ahead and create a folder, and you can call this whatever you want. But I find that it's easy to organize things by course name, but if you have an organization system that you already have, go ahead and name it whatever you like. You'll see that your folder now shows up underneath the folders category. Let's go ahead and double click on that to open it up. And now you see that there's nothing in this. We haven't added anything to it yet. You can add things to this by clicking on New in the top left and then doing a file upload, or you can go to your Finder or your folder view, which is the little folder icon in the bottom on your toolbar, and then select a file from here. And I'll just use this PDF, and you can just drag it into this screen. That will upload the file to that Google folder. And here's where we need to pay attention to how we're going to get the link, which we're going to put inside of our IvyLearn course. Once this is uploaded to Google Drive, you can click on it, and up here you're going to notice a little chain link icon. It's the Get Link icon. Go ahead and click on that. It will open this menu. Now, right now, and by default, all of these documents that you upload here are restricted. This means that only people that are specifically added up here, and by default, that's just you, can access it. But if you wanted it to be so that if your students have the link, they can get to it, then go ahead and select this drop-down menu here, and then select anyone with the link. This will change the link to a one that if students click on it, they can get to it. Anybody that has that link can get to it. So go ahead and copy this link. It'll say link copied, so it's on your clipboard. And now we're going to navigate to an IvyLearn course shell. So in my tab over here, I am in IvyLearn. I'm in my sandbox shell. I've created an example module here, and I'm just going to go ahead and add a page to it. So we select the plus icon right there, and I'm going to create a page. I'm going to create a page and name it example page. And we're just going to click add item. By default, it's not published. I'll go ahead and publish it. Go ahead and click on its title, and it will take you to this screen where you select edit. And now you're in what's called the rich content editor, this little box here. And then you just have to paste in the link. And you can say, hello, students, if I can spell it right. The link above leads to your reading for this week, or your PowerPoint, or whatever you want to put in Google Drive. Then you'll just select save. Now students are able to access whatever file you uploaded to Google Drive from that link. And keep in mind that you will have to do that process for every file that you want to link that way. But this does avoid the 1 GB storage feature. I hope that was helpful, and please let your local EdTech know if you need anything.